Hello, today I have my Golden Tote for February. I actually did film the unboxing already and I had some trouble with my SD card getting corrupted, so I lost everything that I filmed and I filmed the whole video. So this is my second time trying this, so let's hope that it works out. Keep your fingers crossed. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Golden Tote, it is kind of a mix between an online boutique and an online styling service. With Golden Tote, they have a new collection of clothing items that are released every month on the first Monday of the month. They actually didn't have one for January. I think they took a break for that month, but they did have one for February. So I actually went online first Monday of the month, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is when they released. So I went right at that time. They actually showed a preview of their collection on Tumblr. So they have a Tumblr account. So I think it was like a few days before I went to Tumblr and I kind of previewed everything so I could see what they were going to release, and so I could kind of pick out what I wanted. So I had a strategy for when I went online on that first Monday. So I'm going to back up a little. So if you're not familiar with Golden Tote, and I'm sorry I'm kind of rambling on this, they have three options, and those options are one is the Mini Tote, where you get one item that you select from their collection, and the other item is a surprise item that a stylist will select for you based on an online style profile that you complete. Okay, the Mini Tote is $59. The second option is the Surprise Tote for $89, where you get 3 items of clothing and they're all surprises. The third option is the Golden Tote, which is $149, and that includes free shipping, and that's 5 items of clothing, where 2 you choose and 2 that are surprises. You can also order add-on items. If you order a tote, you can get an add-on item from their collection at a discounted price. And I'll put some links down below with more information of how Golden Tote works, also with my referral link in case you want to use it, and a link to that Tumblr account. So this month, I was thinking I was going to get the Golden Tote, but I really liked the items that were in their collection, so I wanted to be able to select more. So what I did was I got 2 Mini Totes and 1 add-on item. So I did get a total of 5 items. It did come out to a little more than what the Golden Tote would have been, which was $149. So I ended up paying $153 for 5 items. And since I've already unboxed everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and show them to you now. Okay, first here is the tote bag for this month. And I did get 2 totes since I ordered 2 Mini Totes. So that was nice. Okay, the first item that I selected for one of my Mini Totes was this dress. And it's just a very pretty, professional looking dress. It has a kind of a wrap front and these kind of fitted sleeves that come a little bit above the elbow. And it's I'm having my house painted, so my dog's been kind of getting I don't know. Why do you bark at him? She keeps barking at the painter guy. Okay, anyway, so that's the first dress, and it's very soft, comfortable, and the colors are kind of more of a mauve gray, I would say, and very pretty, and it also has pockets, which is always nice. So that's okay. The second item that I selected was this dress, and I do love dresses actually, so I just went for it and I got 2 dresses. And it's a knit black and white polka dot with this cute ruffle sleeve, and it also has some ruffles at the hem. I just kind of like everything very flowy and comfortable. So that had an add-on item, which was this top, and it's kind of a knit. It almost looks like sweatshirt material. It's a little thicker, and it has polka dots, so it's off-white with polka dots. Oops. And I just thought this was really cute and basic, so I added it on. And next are my 2 surprise items. So these are ones that they selected for me based on my style profile. And the first was this very pretty floral top, and here you can take a look at the print. And it has these fluttery sleeves, which I thought was very pretty. And it's a little bit longer in the back than the front. And yeah, so this was a surprise item, and I really liked this print. I thought it was very nice and very springy. And the next surprise item I got was this cardigan, which is kind of a a muted purple color, and it's very soft, and it has this kind of stitching detail, and the sleeves are very loose and almost like a kimono, and the front kind of like drapes like that. So that's the second surprise item. So I think I did pretty well. I mean, those are totally things that are pretty much up my alley that I would totally wear or totally buy myself. So I was very happy this month with what I got. And so now I'll do the try-on, and I'll do 2 looks for each item. So each piece I thought was kind of versatile, that I could work into what I already had to create 2 looks. Okay, so first outfit is the floral dress, and I just paired it with some basic tan pumps, and it looks very businessy. So yeah, it's first dress. Okay, so here's that same dress. I'm just gonna try to do a couple different looks. Oops, watch out, Sammy. And here I've just added a black blazer, and I've changed the shoes to some black pumps. I have the same style pumps as Kohan, 2 colors, and then added a black belt. So it just makes it a little more define the waist, and yeah, I think that looks cute too. It's very professional. And okay, and here is that polka dot dress. Watch how it sounds. It's kind of a good length. It's not too short. It's just above the knee, which is what I like. And I've got it paired with some heels. So yeah, this is totally something you could wear to work. And yeah, I like it. So it has, okay, now here's the black polka dot dress, and I have to maneuver around my dogs here. And here's like a casual look with some black booties and a denim jacket. Right now I only own 1 denim jacket, and this is it. Oops, watch out. And it's just a very casual. Okay, so here is my add-on item. And I have it paired with some black joggers. I got from Black House White Market, I think it's called. And yeah. So I don't know if this is okay for the office, but maybe on Casual Friday. Okay, and then just to see it, a different look, I have it tucked in. And the skirt is a little tight on me. I've outgrown all of my pencil skirts. And here it is with just a basic black pencil skirt that I got a while ago from Loft, and black pumps. Okay, so here is the first surprise item, and it's a floral top with this kind of fluttery sleeves. It's very cute. I got it looking very casual with some jeans and some, can you see it? Tan flats. Yeah, so this is a surprise item, and it's really cute. I think it's perfect for spring. And for this, and for the second look with the top, I've got it paired with a denim jacket, and I have these teal-colored Just Black jeans that I got from Stitch Fix a few months ago. So I thought, I think this actually goes pretty well together for, I think, a cute spring look. Okay, so here is the second surprise item, and it is a cardigan. It's the cardigan, and it has it's like, I guess, would you call this a kimono cardigan? And I've got it paired with these Kenzie jeggings that I got from, I think it's from Wantable, which are incredibly comfortable and stretchy, and I really like them actually. And just a white top. This is from Express. It's the Portofino. Okay, so this is the final look. And the purple cardigan with white jeans and a floral top. And just thought, I think that looks really fresh. Believe it or not, these jeans are from Costco. And they're nice. And the top is from Loft. Yeah, so that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be back with more videos. I have a Nadine West scheduled. This is my first time trying Nadine West. I've kind of seen some mixed reviews on YouTube for this service, but you know, it does look like it could be a more affordable option to Stitch Fix. I just thought I'd give it a try. And so it's supposed to ship out this week, so I'm hoping to get something up by next week, but we'll see when I get it. Also, I will be doing another Stitch Fix unboxing next month, and those I will do monthly. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thanks again, and take care. Bye now.